Question number 11. Let A and B be sets if A intersection X is equal to B intersection X is equal to 5 and A union X is equal to B union X for some set X, so that A is equal to B. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 3 सेट्स हैं A, B and any other set X. This naming X. Here the conditions are given. A intersection X is equal to B intersection X is equal to 5. A और X का जब इंटरसेक्शन करते हैं, B और X का इंटरसेक्शन करते हैं, तो उनमें क्या है, कोई भी कॉमन एलिमेंट नहीं है, मींस 5 एम्प्टी सेट. एंड A का X का यूनियन फाइंड करते हैं, B का X का यूनियन, तो दोनों सेम आंसर आता है, A union X equal to B union X. Now by applying these two conditions, we have to prove the set A is equal to B. Now solution. Since A intersection X is equal to B intersection X, it is A union X, no? The given second condition is A union X. Yes, since A union X is equal to B union X. Now taking the intersection with A on both the sides, so this implies A intersection A union X is equal to A intersection B union X. Now applying distributive law, A intersection A union A intersection X is equal to A intersection B, this is B, union A intersection X. Now A intersection X is 5 and A intersection H itself, A और A का इंटरसेक्शन खुद ही आएगा, यूनियन A intersection X is equal to A intersection B union A intersection X. Means A intersection X is 5. So put A intersection is 5 is equal to A intersection B union A intersection is 5. तो A और 5 का यूनियन क्या होगा? A होगा, A और 5 का यूनियन A, और A intersection B union 5. A intersection means something element are there both the set A and B, कुछ है और उसका यूनियन 5 के साथ 5 खाली, तो बड़ा सेट कौन सा होगा? A intersection B. So A equal to A intersection B. This is first relation. यानी जो A है वो क्या है? A intersection B के इक्वल है. Again A union X is equal to B union X. Now taking the intersection with B on both sides, A union X is equal to B intersection B union X. So this implies by law of distributive law, B intersection A union B intersection X is equal to B intersection B union B intersection X. This implies now B intersection X is 5. So B intersection A union this is 5 is equal to B intersection B itself. B union B intersection X is 5. तो B intersection A union 5 means इन दोनों में बड़ा सेट कौन सा बिगेस्ट सेट, तो यूनियन बिगेस्ट सेट आएगा मींस B इंटरसेक्शन A इज इक्वल टू B और 5 का यूनियन B, तो B इज इक्वल टू B इंटरसेक्शन A. इट मींस B इज इक्वल टू दिस implies B इज इक्वल टू A intersection B again, है ना. So from first and second already we have proved A is equal to A intersection B, and now we have B is equal to A intersection B from first and second. So from first and second we get A is equal to B, क्योंकि B भी A इंटरसेक्शन B के इक्वल है, A भी A इंटरसेक्शन B के इक्वल है, तो दोनों को जब हम कंपेयर करते हैं तो क्या मिलता है B is equal to A, hence A is equal to B. Question number 12 you will solve from your side.